Welcome to QizArena, the quiz capital of basically the whole world.
Welcome to yet another tutorial session on the QizArena Academy. In today's session, we will be exploring the QizArena settings module. This module enables every user registered on the QizArena project to be able to set up their coordinates, which entails providing your resident country, resident state, resident local government, country time zone. And furthermore, how to set up your quiz preference options, and under this quiz preference we have the quiz question presentation mode, which basically there are two types of quiz presentation mode, and the first is the Cascade and the second is the flip mode. So we will be looking at these preferences, and finally we'll also look at how you can become a QizArena affiliate and own your quiz brand. To better help us understand the QizArena settings module, we require an active user session like so. I'm already logged in to my demo account. So from the QizArena main menu, we navigate our way to the settings menu item over here and tap on it like so. This is going to load the QizArena preference module. And then over here we have these forms that require some basic input. On the first, we are looking at setting up our coordinates, and over here we can find resident country. So what we are required to do is to set up from this list. Currently we have Nigeria and Ghana, so I'm going to choose Nigeria like so, and then for my resident state I select where I am right now, Federal Capital Territory, and then my residence local government, then I select this, and then my time zone. This time zone is based on the resident country. Currently I have Africa Lagos GMT +1, Africa Accra GMT +0. So since I'm in Nigeria and my time zone is on the GMT +1, so I set that. Then coming over to the second item, the quiz preferences, and we had this caption here says customize how quiz questions are presented to you. On the first here we have the allow image based question. So QizArena provides the feature that enables quiz vendors to set quiz questions which uses experimental images for question composition, and also questions that do not contain images. So on the default for now, QizArena only allow image-less questions, so this is the default. And then on the other hand, we have the quiz question presentation mode, which give us two options, the flip mode or the cascade mode. So, the flip mode is going to present the quiz questions in a way that the user has to tap the next button to review the next question. I'm going to practically show you this by setting this to flip mode, and then I save quiz coordinate and quiz preferences, and then I wait for it to submit. Your preference has been saved successfully. So to test the quiz question presentation mode, I'm going to come over here to take quiz. I already have a free quiz I've participated, so I tap the take quiz button and then I wait for it to load the questions like so. So if you observe here, the flip mode only presents one question at a time. So after I select an option for the given question, I have to tap the next button here like so to review the next question, and then I tap the next button to review the next question till I get to the last question, and then I can submit. So this is the flip question presentation mode. Then I come back to our settings. Then I'm going to set our question mode to be on the Cascade, and then I save it. I just want you to see how these preferences affect the way quiz questions are presented to us. Alright, here we are. The quiz question Cascade mode lists all the questions one after the other. The questions are stacked one on top of the other to the last, where we have the summit. So this is how the Cascade mode presents quiz questions to us. Back to the settings. So those are the preferences for quiz activities, and then further down we have the quiz affiliation. Own a quiz brand, host quiz challenges, build followers. So in the process of using the QizArena project, there is always a case where users evolve from just normal users to becoming quiz vendors. So assuming you want to become a quiz vendor, you can get that from the settings, and over here we have click the button below to activate the QizArena affiliate module on your account, and the activation fee is 5,000 L.G.A at the time of this documentation. So tapping this button here is going to submit my interest in becoming a QizArena quiz vendor, and then the form will be presented to me to fill out my vision statement, my followers benefit, my Facebook page, my support group, and my email address, and every other information. So that is the things. These are the basic things obtainable in the QizArena settings module. Before rounding up this tutorial session on the QizArena settings module, I feel it is imperative that I explain further on the quiz question presentation mode, the advantages and the disadvantages of each of them. Now, looking at the flip mode, the flip mode has a disadvantage, and the disadvantage here is that you cannot go back to a question you have already processed. That is the disadvantage. But if you're using the Cascade mode, since the questions are stacked one on top of the other, and all you have to do is scroll through to see the questions you've answered and the ones you've not answered, there is always that possibility of making corrections to your answered questions. So those are the advantages and disadvantages of the two presentation mode. The advantage of the flip mode is that the organization and presentation of the quiz question is more composite and easy to focus on than on the Cascade mode. So those are the two advantages and disadvantages of this quiz presentation mode. And then I know we have talked briefly on QizArena affiliation mode. There is a video that is dedicated to explaining the QizArena affiliation program, so I recommend you go through that video for in-depth knowledge about the QizArena affiliation program.